Hi, so I'm sharing with you guys a new addition that I've added to my standard size traveler's notebook that I turned into my sticker book. So let's get started. I'm Tammy Inman and this is A Page to Life. And so I have another video I shared for you guys of the setup and how I've utilized this. And this truly is, other than using my notebook for our standard purposes, journaling, planning, and so on, this is really my very favorite. And so I came across, I made a couple changes, but I have the link for the detailed look at how I set this up and the layering and such. And I want to share with you, I came across, I know I had another booklet that had a bunch of stickers in it, and this is just like a big thick stack of stickers, and I knew I didn't want this to bulk up my book even more. It's already nice and chunky and bulky. So I decided I would take out all those sticker sheets, and every sticker sheet but one, they're all clear and they're very, very thin. So stacking them on top of each other would be kind of hard to sort through and to see, and I don't want them ruined. And so I removed them all, and my thought process was I had this really nice, I have a lot of blank notebooks because I don't use the blank except for like a scratch notebook, just jotting down random notes and such, just compiling it of that, just real carefree. And so my son Joshua came back from his Tokyo, Japan trip where he went to the Traveler's Factory station store, and so the Tokyo station, and it came with this insert. And so I thought this would be perfect to add to my sticker book and to keep moving forward going along the way instead of just using it as that little willy-nilly kind of notebook, jot it all down, thoughts, scratch, phone numbers, pin testing, whatever. And so I took all the sticker sheets out of here. And you could keep these and cut out parts to utilize for your art journals and kawaii journals, smash books, junk journals, which I like to call goodness journals, joy journals, because it's not junk. And on the back, sometimes they have really cute, like real cute little things on the back. Look how cute that one is. So you could use those little bits and stuff in those types of little journaling or creating or collage. Okay, all of that to say, let me show you what I did. I took them all out and I used my blank insert and I attached them all in here. I'm really loving this because I didn't want to take every sticker off and put in a sticker release booklet. I do have a sticker release booklet in here, and it has more of my miscellaneous things. I even have ones that are coming off because I have a bad little habit with sticking, removing it, sticking, trying it in another spot. But this really holds leftover, like if my sticker sheet only has a few things left on it, I'll add it to here. Or say it's a sticker sheet and I only want like a few items from that sticker sheet. I know I won't utilize the others and I can give that away, like at my meetups or however. I can do that. I know sometimes people pull a whole sheet off and will add it. Sometimes I feel like they stick great or they don't, or I don't know. It just, that option wasn't for me. These are the Sticky Club ones, and I feel like they're clear or a lot thicker than the ones that I removed out of all of these things here. This is just like a plethora, a big stack. Yeah, I certainly didn't want all that in my notebook. And sometimes when you have all the clear on top of each other, it's hard to see what they are. Like these solid ones, you can really see. So I try to put a clear like in between a solid. Okay, that is not what this is about. So I took the blank notebook and now it's going to be special to keep in here. And if I use this, then I'm down to a few. I can put them in my sticker book, and then I can just gently peel this off. And if it rips a little, that's okay. But you could use, I have the Tombow permanent adhesive, but it'd probably be good to use the repositionable adhesive so that you could take the sticker sheet off and put a new one on. I think even if mine did rip a little bit, I'd be okay because you're going to put something over it. However, but I think moving forward, I might try the repositionable. So I just want to give you guys like the heads up on that. And I just put a little spot in each corner, like a little dab. That's it. And added them in here. And I want to show you how you can really just flip through that nicely. But I like with them being the clear that you can really see really good the items are. You're not messing up those sticker sheets. I mean, we obviously purchased those and they really add up, so you want to keep them nice. And like I said, as it gets lower or down, and there's a few, I can add them in over here and put a new sheet in. And so I really love that idea. I didn't like having these stickers and another thing, but I knew I did not want all of this bulk added into this book. I think it would have drove me nuts. It's already so nice and bulky. And you can see with just the insert how slim that is. And it's filled with all those sheets plus all the paper. And it is really a fraction of all of this here. So I was going to show you something really quick. When I did this, I then take, let me trim and open that right up. Wow, that plastic was strong. Look at this, would be so cute. Oh, this is really good to keep for my art journal. Okay, I'm going to add that one in here. I'm just going to show you. That's how little I just put in the corners. Did I do that the wrong way? No. Okay, good. Yeah, it peels correctly. Okay, now this sheet here, that's up to you what you want to do, but this is a solid sheet, and so I don't really need that background or anything like that to kind of save it. It's also much thicker, kind of has a little bit of a vinyl-y feel to it. So I don't really feel like I need to add it in here, although you could if you want to just, oh, I have another one. Keep that process moving along. Let's add him in. But for me, it was about the clear and the super thinness and all the thick packaging that I did not want in my sticker book. So this one I can just take and slide that right back in there. And over here, these are also, let's come on over. And that one, we can toss that. These ones here are like a thicker vinyl-y. They're not clear, so I can put those right back here in the clear sticker pocket that I have here. And this little sticker pocket, it really does stretch and mold with everything that you put in there. And so I just have little, like larger size random stickers. Oh, I think some of these clear guys I can add in my booklet. That might be nice. And then this Travelers Company clear sleeve holds all my Travelers Company sheets that come in those different little booklets and such that we get. And again, I have a real good detailed version in that other video that it is linked in the description. And as always, I put a clickable link at the end of this video. And if you've already done something like that I shared from the other video, let me know. Or if you plan on it it really is my favorite use for my notebook. And I'll give you a quick little look, but you can definitely check out that video because it shows a really in-depth setup. I flipped this one around and changed it a little bit. Let me just show you real quick, just a general idea. In my last video, oh, and there is another little tip I have for you. Now, I've shared in my other videos how in this clear notebook, in this clear zip pouch, that I like to add inserts and stuff to hold, like I did here, into the little pockets, little pouch sleeves in the zipper one. Now, typically when I add my sleeve in, it just slides right in. No problem. I'll even sometimes share, if you don't want that to move about, you could take your pen board and slide it in there, and then it'll really snugly hold that insert. Now, I don't know why, because this tends to be the only thing that has no rhyme or reason, but sometimes they're really snug. Hi, Tommy. Can you move from the little light partner and come over here? All right, coming through. Would it be a video? Would it even be a true video if we didn't have you? All right. But this one was extra tight. So if you take your pen board and you really shove that into that thing, it would all the way in, it will stretch that pocket out for you. And then when I did that, this insert slid in real nice and tight. Again, if you watch other videos mine and I share about this, you are blocking the light, partner. Come on. Come on. We're almost at the end. Come on, little purr monkey. Oh, wow. Wow, Tom's a big guy. Okay. I will just pivot and adjust for him for a moment. Okay. You'll know that those inserts slide in real easy. Now, I originally had it like this in my other way, and I could have put that insert in here, or I could have put that insert in this side and worked from it. But I really like how it laid flush and nice here in the back. So let me show you with my big guy Tom here. It's really simple. Let me remove that just so you guys have a clear understanding. You could see it just goes in there really nice and snug. Okay, so that is the clear pouch. And again, the other video is just like a little more time, and you can see, but I'll just give you the little overall idea. So in that other video, it was like this. And like I said, I could take and slide this insert in this front pocket, or I could take and slide this insert into this pocket and utilize it. But when I set it all up, I liked it better this way. So I switched and put it at the front. I took and put this, I'm gonna have to really, oh there, I guess I did get it much more. Okay, now it's in there. So it's still just the one piece. And then hi buddy. And then I take the file folder and I lay it on top. So we're just nesting these. And this side has vintage sticker sheets from Sticky Club, and this side has Cute from their monthly kits. And then I take my sticker release book and I open it to the middle. Now everyone is just laying flat on top of one another. That's it, just layered, a little nesting, and then I'll take and slide everybody all in at once. And again, that back insert is, we put that in first inside the zipper pocket. Now everybody is inside here. And if you take a look, let's put that string in. We'll just put it in right here. If you take a look there, It's really nice. Everybody, and these are full. This is really me. This is me pressing it, but this is really full and everything holds in nice, and it's not doing that weird crazy jet like you get with the elastic or the bands or any of that. It's so nice, and you don't really have anything hanging out. Even sometimes a little bit, this zipper part can hang out a little, but I have mine all in there even and flush. And then I'm going to take that back little part. Hi, buddy. We're going to take that back little part. I noticed in one of my videos, he's so funny. He just kept sniffing on my little sleeve, and I didn't notice it when I was filming. But afterwards, when I was reviewing something, I was like, wow, this guy's a little goofball. You guys really see some craziness. But Tommy is my little guy who came to, well, Tommy is really big, but he's the biggest baby, and he's really needy, loves love, and I just couldn't be mean. Like if I shoved him off, or I don't have to shove him, but if I just kind of pushed him off, his little feelings would be so hurt. So you guys are like so kind and so nice about him being in the videos. I know sometimes I'm even like, wow, okay, you guys really deal with his little, oh, he's laying his little head on my arm, so sweet. We still sort of crack up because he has one little viewer who did not enjoy him at all, but it's so funny. I mean, funny that they said it, and I can totally kind of get how I guess it could be irritating, but it is comical that that person voiced it. A free complimentary video that they felt necessary, that it wasn't to their standards. Okay, so I tucked all of this in here. Sorry to go off on the little nutty side path there. I tucked those in here. I'm going to fold it one more time to show you guys with all the goodies in there. You can see those kind of curve around just a little pinch because we're nice and full at the moment, and it really extends over and it's nice and wide, but nevertheless, it's in there so good. And now that I have that extra bulk, I can see a little tiny bit of my zipper spot here in the little zip pouch, but it is so nice. It is a really good thickness. It is holding a wealth of sticker goodness. And sorry if I don't have that in there. Buddy, you're back over the light. Okay, well, I'm going to wrap it up with you guys. But if you like this, please click the little like button or something in the video that you liked or enjoyed. And also, what was I going to say to you guys? Oh, I felt like there was a little something right there at the end. Oh, hi, buddy. I don't know. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, maybe next video I'll have it for you, or I will have remembered. But thank you guys so much. I enjoy having you here with me. I answer all you guys' little comments and goodness, and I'll see you soon.